This video is brought to you by Whokeys.com. You guys know the drill, you've just finished building your brand new PC, you boot it up and bam, that hideous Activate Windows watermark appears. And the worst part is you forgot to budget $200 for an activation key from Microsoft because you spent it all on RGB, but that's okay. Because you don't need to spend $200, you can pick one up from today's video sponsor Whokeys.com for a tenth of the price. The best part is you can use my code TT25 for 25% off, which takes this already cheap Windows 10 Pro key from $18 to $13. If you're in the UK like me, that's £11. You place your order, your activation code gets added to your orders page, you whack it into the Windows activation screen, and boom, you're fully activated, no more watermarks being burned into your retinas. TT25 for 25% off, link in description.
What is up, guys? It is Anae here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some RAM that V-Color sent out to us. Now, V-Color did send this RAM out to us a couple of months back, but Josh and I went to Mexico and we had a lot of plans during that time, so we didn't have the opportunity to review it, but now we do. So V-Color is usually based around desktop and laptop memory. So today we're going to take a look at what they sent us. Now, from an aesthetic standpoint, they look really nice. They actually remind me a lot of the Trident Z Royal RAM, if you've ever seen that before. Now, the difference is you can get 4 of these sticks on Amazon for around $100. They seem to always have sales going on, so it's definitely something to check out. However, this is only a 16GB kit, and only 2 of the included 4 RAM modules actually function as memory. The other 2 sticks are just dummy filler sticks. Now, I'm sure a lot of people have opinions about this. It's not the first time I've seen a company come out with filler RAM modules like this, but to me, it's actually quite interesting. Personally, as long as the company isn't forcing you to buy them, I don't really have a problem with it. If you want to fill up all 4 slots on your motherboard and you need a cheaper way to do it, I mean, hey, it's an option out there. Now, while we're also on the subject of non-functional RGB components, V-Color also sent over this. Wait for it. It's a fake M.2 drive. Yes, you heard me right. This is a fake M.2 drive. And if you're looking to add more RGB to your motherboard, then this is another product that they have, and you can find it on Amazon for around $8. That's what it seems to be when we look at the price history for this. Now, going back to the RAM in terms of styling, they're very blingy and they're shiny and they have a nice finish, so if you're looking to reflect RGB in your PC case, these will definitely do that. They do, of course, have their own RGB, which we'll take a closer look at in a few minutes. You can see on the light bar on the top here, it's got an interesting texture to it, and again, it slightly reminds me of the crystal textures that you get on the Trident Z Royal RGB, although it is a little more translucent than the transparent. Now, V-Color actually did something special for Josh and I. They actually engraved our names on these sticks, which is really cool. I've never seen that done before. And I also wonder at some point whether they would offer this engraving option to all customers, because that's definitely a gap in the market that could be filled, as though I don't see it happening much. I'm not sure how easy that would be to pull off on a large scale, but it would definitely be cool for other customers to have that option. In terms of performance, this is a 4400 megahertz kit, which is definitely on the faster frequency side. Although the timings do leave a bit to be desired, rated at a 19, 26, 26, and a 46. We did test these using Ada 64 for those of you that are interested, and here's the results from those tests. So the first one is just straight out of the box, no XMP. You can see here we have read speeds of 39,645 and write speeds of 37,919 and a latency of 91.8. And then with the XP enabled with the BIOS now running at its full advertised speed of 4,400 megahertz, we get a read speed of 55,978, write speed of 55,140, and latency of 82.1. Again, the speed of this kit is very impressive, but timings are important too. So for those of you looking for super low latency, there may be better options out there. But for the average consumer, it's definitely fine. We haven't run into any issues with them and they look fantastic. Now let's take a look at some of the RGB effects that you get with this RAM kit, because what kind of channel would this be if we didn't show you the RGB effects? Now, it does support all major motherboard software such as Aurora, Sync, RGB Fusion, Mystic Light, and Polychrome. Here's a lighting demo, so sit back and relax. Overall, it's a great kit. Looks are awesome, performance is more adequate for the average user, and software support and compatibility makes it easier to dial in all your favorite RGB lighting effects. Now, if you're not into the whole mirror finish, you can also pick this kit up in black, and we'll make sure to link everything down in the description for you guys, along with the fake M.2 Drive if you are interested in that. Now guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Josh and I definitely appreciate it, and also, so does Mimi. We appreciate it. Yes, we appreciate it, and lets us know what kind of content that you guys want to see in the future. Now, if you guys want to follow us on our socials, you can find that here and here, as well as make sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified when our videos go up. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.